Okay, I'm going to show you how to install Beardy's Tools magnetic base onto the M18 CP battery lineup. There's only two options. You have a 2.0 or it'll be blank, which is a 1.5. So this is how you install the magnetic base. First things first, we're going to want to remove the original screws. Now these are a tamper-proof Torx 10. I'm using my Vessel electric screwdriver because it's rated for just 8.85 inch-pounds, so it's not going to cause any damage by stripping out the meat inside of the battery that the screws are attaching to or stripping out the heads. So now that those are removed, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my replacement screws and set them there, and then I'm going to take the screws and the original screws and put them in this baggie. Probably a good idea to label which battery they came from. The reason you want to do that is if you still have warranty left on your battery and you have a warranty claim, you'll want to remove the magnetic base and put the original screws back. Otherwise, they're going to void your warranty when they see this attached to it. And regardless of how you handle the warranty, you're not going to get the magnetic base back. So make sure you remove it. So here's how you put it on. It's labeled front, or it might just have the part number up there, but light pressure falls right in. Now, if you're going to be taking it off to send it in for warranty, or just because your battery's dead and you're moving it to another, hold the base firmly, grab the battery, and walk it back and forth. Ugh, this one's kind of tight. There we go. The reason we want to do that is these posts. Now, these posts are an over design. They're overkill. If they break off, you're still able to use this just fine without issue. So don't worry if you break them off. Just keep using it. It's going to be fine. I just believe in engineering and designing overkill. So we'll put this back on here. Snug fit. As you can see, I've got the vents all designed in here. Don't want to overheat the batteries, so that way they can breathe. Take our screws, drop them in, and then I will use my Vessel again. Now, these replacement screws are a Torx 8. Could be Phillips, they could be Torx 10. I've had a hard time finding Torx 10 though, so I went with Torx 8. So if you notice, because we don't want to put them super duper tight, I'm just lightly holding this till it spins itself out of my hand, releasing the power button. But now that they're on there, I'm just looking for snugness. So I'm going to spin this till it bites. Maybe. There we go. I'm just going to apply just a little bit of pressure and see if the screw heads move. If they're not moving with just a little bit of pressure, then they're on there good and tight. Remember, we don't want to strip out the meat on the inside, so don't go overly tight. But that is how you install the magnetic base on the M18 CP lineup.